So today I'm going to show you how to register on READsquared in order to get signed up for our summer reading programs. So we'll go through all of that. The first step you'll want to take is to make sure that you have navigated your browser to muncie.readsquared.com. You can see it in our browser bar there. And you will want to click on the button that says register. Once you get to the registration page, you have three options: myself only, myself and other readers, or a group or class. So today I'm going to show you how to do myself and other readers, so that way if you are a parent you can put yourself in the database as well as all of your children. When you get to the next screen, after you click on that, you're going to tell it how old you are. You assume probably, if you're the adult, that you're over 18. And you can tell it that you will choose a program later. When you're registering for this, there is an adult program that will be available, so you could actually go ahead and sign yourself up for adult summer reading if you want to. You click continue. It's going to ask for some information. For this example, we're just going to be Muncie Library. It'll ask for the zip code. That just helps us kind of know where people are signing up from. You're going to choose which library branch you usually go to. I'm from Hunt, so that's what I'm choosing. And we ask for school information. Of course, if you're the adult, you probably are not in school, so you can just put that. And then you'll choose your username. And we will put in, oops, if I can type today, Muncie Library, since that's what I chose our name to be. And you choose a password and you confirm your password. And then you click where it says continue. Now you're going to add whatever children you were adding. So this is the first one, and you'll say what your child's age is. We'll pretend we have an 8-year-old, and our 8-year-old will sign up for the children's summer reading program. And we'll click continue, and then we'll need your child's name. And we will say that our child is Hunt, because that is where I work at. An email address, we ask for it. It is not required, so that's just if you want to receive emails about the summer reading program. Again, zip code is already going to be filled out in this instance. We'll once again say that it's the Hunt Library. And your child, whatever school they go to, you can fill in. So we'll just say Southview in this case. For children, the username and password is not required. So if you have an older child and you want to make a username and password for them, you can, but you do not have to. And when you scroll down, you have the option for book recommendation. That's totally up to you. These book recommendations come from READsquared, and they're just a fun little bonus. So if you want to fill this out, you can. If not, you can ignore it and either continue to add another child or click Done Adding Readers if you have entered all of your children. And now you have an account. Hopefully this helps you with using READsquared. Of course, if you need any help or further information, you can check out our website or give us a call at any of the libraries.